Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain you ABC analysis. In the last classes we discussed about the how to calculate the cost driver rate and how to calculate the cost per unit. Now I am going to explain you 2017 question paper 6 marks question. Let's see what is the question that is. Okay, see here for the 6 marks. This is the question here. Pavitra Limited manufactures two products, product X and product Y. Product X produced in 4 runs of 250 units and product Y in 5 independent runs of 200 units. Each product consumes equal direct material and direct labor content. The product overhead amounted to rupees 36,000, which consists line setup cost rupees 18,000, product inspection cost of rupees 9,000 and rupees 9,000 for material movement to the product line. Total cost incurred for producing 1,000 units of X and 1,000 units of Y will be as under. Direct material 30,000, direct labor 8,000, production overhead 40,000 rupees. Total cost is 78,000 rupees. Calculate the product wise cost under ABC method. Now I am going to explain how to solve these things. There in the problem they have provided product X and product Y. When it comes to product X, how many units they have produced? 1,000 units. Even in the product Y also they have produced 1,000 units. With this information you want to calculate the statement of cost in ABC method. Here statement of cost in ABC method. There are two products, product X and product Y. How many units they have produced? 1,000 units. Other one is also 1,000 units. Okay, this is per unit, this is amount column. This is per unit and this is amount column. See here, direct material they have provided. How much is the direct material in this problem? They have provided direct material 30,000 rupees. That 30,000 rupees is equally shared to the product X and product Y. So product X equally means 15,000 and 15,000. Okay, this 15,000 divided by 1,000 units, then per unit is 15 rupees. Per unit is 15 rupees. Same, 15,000 rupees divided by 1,000 units, per unit is 15 rupees. Next one is direct labor. When it comes to the direct labor is 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees is divided equally. Therefore, 4,000. 4,000 rupees divided by 1,000 units, per unit is 4 rupees. Here also, when it comes to the product X, 4,000 rupees divided by 1,000 units, per unit is 4 rupees. This is called as total prime cost or prime cost. We will call it as a prime cost. With this prime cost, you want to total it. Then add production overhead. Here production overhead is split into the activities. Different 3 activities. One is line setup cost. Second one is production inspection cost. Another one is material movement cost. Line setup cost. Line setup cost. How much is that? How many times? Here line setup cost is total 18,000 rupees they have provided. 18,000 into we want to divide this in 5:4 ratio. How this is 5:4 ratio means, here in the X only they have indicated how many runs they have indicated, 4:5 ratio. 4:5 ratio. This is for product X and 5 is for product Y. 4:5 ratio means 4 runs of X and 5 runs of Y. So I have taken as a ratio 4:5 is equal to 9. 18,000 rupees into 4 divided by 9. So 18,000 to 4 divided by 9 means you're going to get 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees divided by 1,000, 8 rupees per unit. Same as it is 18,000 into 5 divided by 9. 5 divided by 9 means 18,000 into 5 divided by 9, it is 10,000 rupees. 10,000 divided by 1,000 units, 10 rupees per unit. Next activity is production inspection cost. Production inspection cost. Here also we want to divide in the same 4:5 ratio. Production inspection cost is amounted to rupees 9,000. They have provided in the problem. 9,000 into 4 divided by 9. So 4 divided by 9 means 4,000 rupees for product X. 4,000 divided by 1,000 units, therefore 4 rupees per unit. 9,000 into 5 divided by 9. 5 divided by 9 means it comes to 5,000 rupees for product Y. 5,000 rupees divided by 1,000 units, per unit is 5 rupees. Next one is last, that is material movement cost. Material movement cost okay, here the same 9,000 rupees is that into 4 divided by 9 and 9,000 rupees into 5 divided by 9. Therefore, same 4,000 rupees for product X, per unit is 4 rupees. Same as it is 5,000 rupees for product Y. 5,000 rupees divided by 1,000, 5 rupees per unit. Therefore, you total it and do it total cost. Here 19 rupees plus 8 rupees, 27, 27 plus 4, 31 rupees, 31 rupee plus 4, 35 rupees. 35 rupees. Same as it is, if you total this one, you will going to get 35,000. Next, 19 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. If you add these things, you are going to get 39 rupees. Therefore, total 19,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000, you are going to get 39,000 rupees. This is how we solved the problem in ABC method. Thank you.